was writing out the fall, if it would ever stop. I didn't think that far. I was opening doors to places I was not meant for. I thought I could return. I didn't know where I was going from there, trying to see what was over in the clear. It was right in front of me, right in front of me. Waiting on the edge for everything to start. I couldn't see my hands. This emotion was an art, but things I couldn't mend will never be too far. And now I'm standing up against a wall.